નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to 14th chapter of How Big, How Heavy of Standard 5th Mathematics. And in the last part, we prepare a measuring glass using marbles. And you also must have did this activity at your home, isn't it? So we come to know about the volume. The space occupied by an object is volume. That is what we come to know. Now, today also we are going to prepare a class also, but our concept is which has more volume, and which is only page number 189. So, open page number 189 and let's go for that. Which has more volume? So can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? Ml means milliliter. So once again, that girl is asking that boy, Sarika is asking that boy, is that can you tell the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter ml? That boy replied, yes, if we make a measuring bottle. So last time we prepare a measuring bottle or that measuring instrument through marble. Now we want to prepare a measuring that bottle to measure the volume in milliliter, isn't it? In class 4 you made a measuring bottle of 250 ml. Now how to do? Can you think of ways for making measuring bottle which can measure 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, 60 ml, like that? Discuss with your friend. Is it possible for you also to measure 10 ml, 20 ml, 60 ml, up to 60 ml? Tariq and Molly made their measuring bottle. Tariq and Molly made their measuring bottle. Now, if I took 5 ml once, so what Tariq did? Tariq had an injection. You know that injection syringes? In an injection syringes, Tariq was holding an injection syringe. He used to make this measuring bottle, and Molly used an empty medicine bottle. So, on that syringe now you can find some that volume. It is written 5 ml, 2 ml, 1 ml, 3 ml, something like that. And if you don't have that measuring bottle, then you must have found this syrup bottle. On that there is a cap. In that cap also you will find 1 ml, 2 ml, up to 5 ml measured. It is measured from 0 to 5 ml measured. So anything you can use. You may use syringe, you may use that cap of the syrup bottle, you may use that bottle, a small bottle also. Now what to do? Take that bottle and put the mark into that, isn't it? And prepare your measuring instrument. Now Molly used her measuring bottle to find the volume of 5 rupee coins. She found that 9 5 rupee coins pushed up 10 ml of water. See, this is important. Why? Because there is an exercise regarding this. Molly used her measuring bottle to find the volume of 5 rupee coins. She found that 9 5 rupee coins pushed up 10 ml of water. So, if you put 9 5 rupee coin, then it pushes 10 ml of coin, 10 ml of water. It pushes up 10 ml of water. So, in that way also you can measure. If first of all put 9 coins, it will push 10 ml. Measure that, mark that. Once again put 9 10 rupee coin. Once again it will push some water and it will be 10 ml only. So once again put 20 ml over there. Like that also you can prepare your measuring instrument. So you can also use 9 5 rupee coin to make your measuring bottle. Now go ahead. So anyway, you prepare your measuring bottle. Now use your measuring bottle to find out what is the volume of 6 marbles. What is the volume of 6 marbles? Can you tell me? What is the volume of 6 marbles? Let me go for this. Suppose it is not 5 but it is 6 marbles, I think, isn't it? So it is 6. What is the volume of? And you will find it will be 7 ml. It will be 7 ml. And go for this, you will come to know. Then what is the volume of 16 1 rupee coins? Here you have to take 1 rupee coin and that to be 16. And you will find it is 18 ml. It will be 18 ml. Then the volume of 24 marbles. The volume of 24 marbles. It is 28 ml. 24 marble is 28. Why? Because let me tell you. See, 6 marbles. 6 marble pushes 7 ml. Now 6 4s are 24. 24 marble. 6 4s are 24 marble. Then 7 4s are 28 ml. And if you go for that practically also, you will find 28 ml. Okay. Then 32 1 rupee coin. Then 32 1 rupee coin. Then how many milliliter of water it will push up? And that is 36 ml. Okay. So practically also you will be able to find it out. Now the one more question is that Molly puts some 5 rupee coins in the measuring bottle. How many coins has she put in it? See, we know that 9 coins pushes 10 ml of water. We discussed earlier that 9 coins of 5 rupee. Of rupees 5 pushes 10 ml of water. That we know. We discussed earlier in this only. Now, if 30 ml water is pushed up, see what happened? Molly puts some coins into that measuring bottle, isn't it? And if 30 ml of water is pushed up, then how many coins Molly has put into that bottle? That is what our question. So 10 ml of water is pushed up by 9 coins. 10 ml of, let me change the pen. 10 ml of water. 10 ml water pushed up by how many coins? 9 coins, isn't it? Pushed up by 9 coins. So if I can say 9 coins, we want to find out 30 ml of water. Sorry. So if 30 ml water will be pushed up by, now multiply 30 multiply by 9, 30 multiply by 9 divided by 10. Okay, so you must be aware of the division. I don't know, but you can cut this 0 0. you can cut this. So 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. If you don't know how to cut or something, then multiply 9 multiply by 30. 9 multiply by 30 will be 270, and then divide by 10 is equal. So now divide 270 by 10, you will come to know 27. So 27 coins, isn't it? So Mowgli would have put 27 coins so that 30 ml of water is pushed up. Same way, if 60 ml water is pushed up, if 60 ml water is pushed up, so let me tell, 10 ml water pushed up by 9 coins. And if 60 ml of water is pushed up by how many coins? Isn't it? So we have to go for multiplication. 60 multiplied by 9 divided by 10 is equal to 0 0 cut, 6 9s are 54. So here the answer is 54 coins. Isn't it? So like that we can answer these questions. And some more is there, that first guess, and we are on the page number 190. First guess and then use measuring bottle to find out the volume of in ml, some other things. Suppose you take a lemon, a bowl, a potato, an eraser, okay, and put it into that your measuring bottle, and find out the volume, how many milliliter of water it pushes, okay. And the last question, guess how many liters of water your body will push up. Suppose there is a bathtub and it is full of water, okay, and you sit into that or you sleep into that, then your body will push up some water, it will come out from that bathtub. Measure that water, and you will find around, as per your height, body, you will find 30 liter of water. How many? 30 liter of water your body will push up. So we come to know how to prepare the measuring bottle, okay, and then after we did these activities, and go for this activity with yourself, and we'll meet in the next part. So by this time, goodbye. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.